let's discuss about prime and composite numbers. These are also very important. Once you know the prime and composite number, it is very easy to factorize the number for HCF and LCM. So just pay attention here. Now I will explain you this with a small game. Let us see. Here I have written the numbers from 1 to 50. You can write more than 50 till 100 or it depends on you. But I have written 1 to 50 numbers. Now I want to explain you. First we'll start the game. Suppose the number 1. First step. Cross out the number 1 because it is neither prime nor composite. Which I will explain what is prime and what is composite after this game. Now encircle the number 2. We will encircle the number 2. By encircling the number 2, now I will cross out the multiples of 2. So which are the multiples of 2? Simple table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 46, 48, 50 and so on. Right? If you are taking numbers more than 50. Now, second step. Third step, first we have cross out the number 1 which is neither prime nor composite. Second, encircle the number 2 and cross out the multiples of 2. Now I will encircle the number 3 and cross out the multiples of 3. So let's see 3 table. 3 2s are 6, already crossed out. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 15, 45, right? And so on, right? Now, next step, encircle the number 5 and cross out the multiples of 5. So, 5 2s are 10, 15, 45, 50 and so on. Right? The next is encircle the number 7 and cross out the multiples of 7. That is 14, 21, then 28, 35, then 42 and 49. Next is 11 is encircle the number 11 and cross out the multiples of 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 and so on. Then next encircle the number 13, multiples of 13, 26, 39. Then encircle the number 17 and multiples of 17 you have to cross out. Right? Same way encircle the number 19 and cross out the multiples of 19. Same way 23 encircle, cross out the multiples of 23. Then same way 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So that way you encircle and cross out the multiples of those encircled numbers. Now look here. The numbers which I have encircled 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, right? And so on. And the numbers which I have crossed out except one, which would be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now look here. See the difference between these two numbers. Now suppose I want to find out factors of 2. So 2 comes in one table and the number itself. Suppose factors of 7 I am taking. So 7 comes in 1 in the 7th table, right? Now here factors of 4. Factors of 4 is 4 comes in 1, 2 and 4 table. Suppose factors of 9. 1 I have taken even number and 1 I have taken odd number. Right? Factors of 9. 9 comes in 1 table, 3 table and the number itself. Now look at here. During these numbers the factors and these numbers the factors. Here there are only 2 factors. How many? 2 factors. So the numbers which are having only 2 factors, that is number 1 and the number itself, they are called prime numbers. And the numbers which are having more than two factors, they are called composite number. So this way you can find the difference between the prime and the composite number. Once again, the factor numbers which are having only two factors, that is the number 1 and the number itself, they are called prime numbers, and the composite numbers mean the more than two factors. The numbers which are having more than two factors, they are called composite numbers. Now one more number is there, that is called twin prime number. So twin prime number means twins. Twins means you know the meaning of twins, that is judwa. Twin prime numbers means suppose 5 and 7 is a prime number. So what is the difference between 5 and 7? 7 minus 5 is 2. 2. So the difference between two prime number is any two prime number is 2. That is called twin prime numbers. Right? So once again, which are those numbers like 17 and 19? What is the difference between 17 and 19? Again 2. So 17 and 19 are called twin prime numbers. 41 and 43. Right? They are also called twin prime numbers since their difference is 2. Understood? So this is called twin prime numbers. Now methods of factorization, which is again important to find out HCF and LCM. So here I have mentioned two methods, right? First method is factor tree method. Factor tree method. Now what is that I am explaining? Suppose I am taking one number like 242. Children, you should know what is even number and odd number. Even number ends with the number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd number ends with the number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So now this is the number. I have to find out the factors of 242 by factor tree method. So how I will find out? Since it is an even number, divisibility by 2. If I divide 242 by 2, so I am getting the number 121. Right? Now 121, you should go recall. It comes in which table? It comes in 11 table. 11 11s or else it is an odd number. Divide by 3, 5, 7. You should know the divisibility, right? So 121. So 11 11s are. So now look here. So what are the prime factors of? So what are the factors of 242? So it is, and those factors should be prime only, right? Prime numbers only. So 2 and 11 are prime numbers. So 2 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. 11 11s are 121, 2s are 242. This is called factor tree method. Is that clear? Now second method is prime factorization method, which it is prime factorization method. This method is common. Now suppose you have to find out the prime factor of 1550, right? So you must be thinking such a big number. It's very easy. So here you are using the divisibility test. Again and again I am telling, watch my video of divisibility test. It is very easy to find out the factors. Since it's a 0 at the ones place, so even number divide by 2, you will get 775. Now 775. So 5 divisibility of 5. When you divide this by 5, you will get 155. Again 5 divisible by 5. Then it is 31. Till you get here 1, this 31 also. This way you are finding the factors. So this method is called prime factorization method. till you get here 1, you should do the factorization. Is that clear? Now these all are the prime numbers. Understood? So here factors of, or you can write prime factors of 1550 is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 31. Children, here you are only writing this way because it is asked find the factors of this. So you will not multiply this and get your answer. We have already found the factors. Is that clear? So this is the prime factorization method to find out the factors. This method will be useful for you to find out HCl, LCM, even though there are many methods which I have mentioned in the HCF, LCM video also. One more thing children, only even prime number is 2. 2 is the even prime number. Is that clear? So, I have tried my best level to explain you the best way factors and multiples by playing game. So you should practice this, and children, my more videos are there, divisibility test, HCF, LCM, which will be helpful for you. You have to watch it again and again, and you have to, along with the playing video, you have to solve the sums also, which I have mentioned also in my videos. So if you like my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it so that whenever I will make new videos, you will get the notification of that. Thank you.